Civilians in Kachin state don't have much hope that peace will come to the region. President Thein Sein ordered a ceasefire on Friday, but fighting still continues to rage. Laiza's bustling marketplace, but hundreds of people have left the town to escape the fighting. Other residents feel they are being lied to. 20 months of fighting between the KIA and Burma's military has displaced tens of thousands of people and raised doubts about the sincerity of reforms. Dozens of families have escaped to Jiyang camp, but many are still worried for their safety. The camp coordinator says more people are still arriving. He says aid supplies had dried up and fears how long the food supply would last. There are reports that government forces attacked a KIA outpost 5 miles from Laiza, but the government insists it has no plan to seize the rebel stronghold. There are over 20,000 residents and refugees still in Laiza. They have no protection from mortars and cannot flee across the border to China. People here remain uneasy and unsure if real peace in the future is possible.